Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. In a fiery moment during the #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now protest, demonstrators called out Igbo traditional rulers and political leaders for their silence and complicity in the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. The message was clear: many of you are Igbos by name, not by blood. This video captures the raw emotion, frustration, and demand for accountability from leaders who claim to represent the Igbo people but have failed to stand up for justice. As the movement grows, voices from the streets are demanding truth, loyalty, and action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
We are still shouting and pleading for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Today, during the peaceful protest, they have arrested his lawyer and his brother. So now we should start shouting for the release of how many people? What a country! I don't even blame the government. I don't blame Tinubu and co. I don't blame them. I blame the so-called Lord Lugard that gathered people of different tribe, different tradition, different culture, different religion, and called them Nigeria. The name Nigeria was even given to us by his side chick, Lord Lugard's side chick, his girlfriend. That was back then in Makodi in Benue State. How do you think this country can work when we cannot reason together? Go to Korea, they have South Korea, they have North Korea. That is after too many wars, after too many fights. Why? They just discovered they are not the same. Nigeria, we are not the same. The Southerners and the Northerners are different people entirely. The reasoning and everything, we are not the same. It can't work. This thing will not end. Even if you kill Nnamdi Kanu now, another person will come out. And it continues that way. Why? Because we are not the same. And the marginalization is too much. What are we saying? We have kept quiet for too long.
The worst thing that can do a man in this life, the worst thing, game make you workable again. Nega beze ben nage, iga king ben nage, and at the same time, be a slave ben nage. Do you know why I'm saying this? I have come to realize that Igbo Beze and Igbo BC, Igbo Pillar, every resources in Nigeria, and they went there na Igbo. But at the same time, our Igbo politicians have turned themselves to be a lifetime slave. What do I say? They have turned themselves to be a lifetime slave, forever and ever slave. That is the reason why somebody like Benjamin Nekalo will wake up one morning and start telling Alessio, his brother, that he should hand over Abia State to Guinea, to Tinubu. We have two Benjamin in the world, both politicians. One Benjamin Nekalo, the other one Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu is fighting for the betterment of Israel, is fighting for the oppressed, is fighting for the welfare of Israel. Puru na Israel Defense Force, make sure that the enemy abatter on Israel. Then we have another Benjamin Nekalo, who is fighting his brother morning, afternoon, night. What is the problem of Igbo? Get the color of the problem of Igbo. Today, Nnamdi Kanu is in serious mess, is in serious detention. People like Hope Uzodinma, people like all the Southeast governors, senators. That is why the problem we are facing today in Igbo is not even the federal government. The major problem we have is in Igbo, and they are all Igbo governors and politicians. I remember when Governor Charles Soludo has never become governor of Anambra State. Even he went to Austria Soludo gara Austria wee mee program with ndị IPOB wee kwuo maka Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafra.
Nnamdi Kanu, in my view, today he is the most popular political prisoner. To his credit, he has forced Nigeria and the world to discuss Biafra. I believe that keeping him there does not do Nigeria any good. This young man should be released, and released like yesterday.
At large. He made a very wonderful speech. Today, he's now governor of Anambra State. Or any Igbo and the law of about Igbo. Everybody want to serve the Fulani. Ndi Igbo, bu slave. I keep on saying it. Because they made themselves to be a slave in their own land. Fulani bandits are given privilege, given opportunity to carry arms, and then negotiating with them. Fulani were able to babu mmadụ. I say happen and all their culture. Only Bobuda kwuo na ọchọsọ ihe bụ Nigeria. Asị chube ka egbuo. Now let me tell you, what actually makes us one? I am asking this question. Gịnị mere anyị one Nigeria? Are we speaking one language? The answer is no. We have different languages. We have Igbo, we have Hausa, we have Yorubas. We have many different belief and culture. Igbo people believe in Christianity and Domenana. Why Yoruba people believe in Muslim and Christian. And Hausa Northerners believe in Muslim. So what makes us one? Are we one Nigeria? If we are one Nigeria, the currency, this currency, let me bring it, so that people will understand what I'm saying. If we are one Nigeria, this is 1,000 naira note. This is 1,000 naira note. What is the meaning of this signature here? Is it not Arabic signature? Which means all of us are Arabic, all of us are Muslim. Can you find Arabic signature here in all the currencies? It should be in English language, so that everybody will. It's a general language, lingua franca. It's a general language everybody understand English, but this is Arabic. Somebody like me, I don't know the meaning of this thing, and we are using it, and we call ourselves one Nigeria. This is Arabic. The signature is Arabic. Are we Arabic country? Ask yourself the question. Ndi Igbo, kemgbe unu ga-amara ife? Kedu mgbe ndị Igbo ga-ama ife? I'm still asking this question. Kedu mgbe ndị Igbo ga-ama ife? We like to be a slave in our own land. But to be a slave in your own land. It's time ndị Igbo kwesịrị wake up. Somebody like all the governors and senators waking up. Mmiri na-eru n'igwe. Mmiri abido izo. Oge ebido ịma na family ndị niile bụ ndị na-achị anyị achị na-achịgbu anyị achịgbu. It is not only poor people that will suffer. It is not only poor man that will hear now when the rain is falling. Ọgaranya ga-anụ dị, and ọgaranya aha na-anụ dị mmiri ozuzo a. Oge meta onye ukwu meta onye nta. The prophecy of Chika Okpara in 1980 something. Oji egwu wee mee prophecy that na mmiri na-ezo mmiri na-eru n'igwe. Nigeria na oke mmiri na-eru. Go and download that track. Nigeria na oke mmiri na-eru, and mmiri a na-eru n'igwe zo, ọ ga-ama poor man, ma rich man, ọ ga-ama ọgaranya, ma senator, ma governor. That you send your children abroad to school, it is not the end. Time is here. Ndị Igbo. Unu ga-ebe ka ewu na nke ikpeazụ a. Jee release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime. Nnamdi Kanu committed no single crime. Ọ bụ na ọ committed a crime, why na-achọbeghị George here for 5 years? Gịnị ka a na-ekpe n'isi Nnamdi Kanu ga-eji kpegide ikpe for 5 years? Enwebeghị judgment. Even when the court kwuru say na discharge go onye may acquit, still Nigeria government doesn't want to obey the court order. And they are here telling us that protesters will not come to protest. unu anwakwa na anwa gbaa mmadụ egbe unu gbagha na akpa m wee gbagbuo ofu onye na this protest Madagascar and the Nepal ya aka Nigeria mma onwekwa onye nwere monopoly of a long life onye gbagha na protester kpam awes na ozu mmadụ tọrọ n'ala Madagascar na Nepal ga-aka Nigeria mma ya gazie.
Because she said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes. Thank you very much. Comes back to her because she said no other person.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.